Hello! Are you aware that total well-being of a child requires the massive input of a great school?
DigitLab High School, founded in September 2010, is the brainchild of the General Superintendent of Deeper Christian Life Ministry, Pastor Dr. W.F. Kumudi, whose passion for godliness, upright leadership, and moral excellence is well known.
Are you pursuing God-driven dreams? DLHS High School Akure campus is a place to be. Our vision is to transform our nation by producing upright leaders of the future through high quality and sound education. Our mission is to produce students who are academically well-grounded, morally upright and adequately equipped as future leaders.
The school was born out of burden and passion of Pastor Dr. W.F. Kumudi for the salvation and complete transformation of the lives of our contemporary youths, who will certainly grow up to become tomorrow's leaders.
Do you know the future belongs to those who believes in the beauty of their dreams?
Our well-equipped library is second to none.
I got this, my favorite quote, through reading. A leader lives 1,000 times before he dies.
High School, Akure, academic and moral excellence is our goal. This is always achieved through hard work, all thanks to our painstaking, amazing, and passionate set of staff. All of this is coupled with sound godly principles constantly dished out to nurture our soul.
Health is wealth, as we all know. Here in our school, take pride in maintenance of good health and hygiene as a means of boosting the physical, emotional, and mental well-being of our students for great success to be achieved with the help of our registered and competent nurse.
DigitLab High School Akure campus is located off Ondo Road, Olokuta Junction, Iwoye, sitting on a landmass of about 8.4 hectares.
Our hostels are standard, neat, and well managed, marked with the presence of God-fearing and passionate hostel parents who are ever ready to render qualitative service to our students without holding back or prejudice. Our classrooms and school environment are obviously serene, conducive, and organized for learning at all times, a model of what a 21st century school should be.
Our campus is under 24 hours surveillance through the help of our modern CCTV self-powered by solar inverter.
We are security conscious. That is why we employ the services of competent personnel alongside various security gadgets. Partner with us at DigitLab High School, a school assuredly marked for greatness. I'd be glad you did.
Our core values are discipline, integrity, hard work, holiness, and honesty.
Here is our well-equitable laboratory, where we are brought into experimental knowledge of the things we've learned in class theoretically.
Our students are kept healthy through different sporting activities. DigitLab High School is a co-educational boarding school with 1 laptop per child, e-notes, and fully automated classrooms. Here in DigitLab High School, Akure campus, every child is important. DigitLab High School.
Leadership with distinction.